everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can check if your phone is refurbished, new or replacement. It's very easy. What you need to do, just go to the settings. After going to the settings, just go to the general option here, tap on the general option. After going to the general option, tap on the about section. After going to the about section, you can see that there's a model number here. If you see, the model number is starting with M. This is very important. If your starting number is M, Y and further, there is an option that we have here. As you can see, if your model number is starting from M, it means that it directly comes from an Apple retail store. If the starting model number comes starting from an F, it means that it is a refurbished device which is sold by an Apple itself. And if the model number starts with N, it means it's a replacement device. And if it's personalized with custom engraving. So that is why it is very important to check. And furthermore, if you want to check that how new your phone is, what you need to do, just go to the battery settings, and after battery settings you need to click on the charging cycles here, battery health, and after going to the battery health, select the charging cycle here. As you can see, it is only 313 charging cycle. It means that it is nearly brand new handset. So that's how you can actually check up how new your iPhone is. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it has clarified that how your phone is refurbished, new or a replacement phone. Thank you very much. Until next video, bye bye.